Ran the light.
I think so. What I've heard is a lot of it is it's the SCOTUS. So the Supreme Court is kind of split. It's supposed to be nominally right wing,
sure
but really is no such thing.
compost.
They're not. These aren't like what you're going to give up and what is important to you,
and
how you're going to have that, how you're going to preserve your freedom.
None of you people know how to signal? Now I know you have to get over because I see all that construction. Work, men at work, whatever. But you could have signals. Wow. Fuck you, Audi. Maybe Audi drivers are bigger douchebag drivers than the Prius drivers. Speedy. This fucking Ford needs to fucking get it together. Like, figure out what fucking lane you're in, lady. Expired paper plate 523 of 21. This guy does not stop at stop signs. He ran both of them. He's gonna run the one down at the bottom of the hill too, as well. How much you want to bet, boys? Let's get down here. Let's watch him. And called it. 3 stop signs in a row. Who knows how many before I started watching them.
6.5 of 21 expired paper plate.
I'm guessing this guy's parking. Expired paper plate 1218 of 21.
You know, even Froskurin or whatever her name is, specifically tweeted like, I don't want Trump voters watching my content. Yeah, these people. But I don't want an exclusive echo chamber on my channel. I want viewers to disagree with me. I also want, I don't want to disparage half of the United States simply because of how they voted. That would be absolutely idiotic. I don't think I've ever voted really, you know, there's always a pretty good mix of the way my friends vote and the way I vote. We never let it get between us. On January 11th, by the way, this is yesterday, or 2 days ago, where he wrote, so I can just comments are not out of the ordinary for Sussler has made similar ones over the past 2 days, apparently. And again, these tweets aren't even getting like a lot of traction. I'm assuming that he's just like virtue signaling for jobs. I don't know. Talks about Republicans. Until they clear their ranks, Republicans are a Terry organization. They are the bad guys from WW2 with no fashion designer helping them. Like, imagine lumping all those people together. You know, first and foremost, there's a group of people that traditionally vote Republican that are some of the nicest people I've ever met. And these are like devout religious, like Christians or
it was the
people.
fellows all along.
Some of the, I'm not saying they're all amazing.
Hey, look. Motherfucking van acting like he's taking a right.
Expired paper plate on the Hyundai Santa Fe 12/4/2019. That's correct, over 3 years old. We're in 2022. Fucking go, fool. Fucking go. I'd have made this slide if it wasn't for that fucking slowpoke back there. Knucklehead behind me in the fucking cab, going to fucking White Castle. Only to shortcut private property. Ding, I see you. Expired paper plate 8/28 of 21. Get in your lane, you fucking cock gobbler. No plate on the vehicle to the left, the VW. And expired paper plate on the Dodge in front of me. Expired December of 2021. Look at that. That's a fucking, the hat trick. I got the fucking hat trick right in front of me, boys. No plate on the left. Expired regular plate in front of me. Expired paper plate on the right. This Dodge doesn't know how to fucking drive. Expired paper plate 12/21 of 21. Expired paper plate 2/29 of 20. Expired paper plate 1/15 of 22.